Hi everyone, I am your TELE guide, Naomi. Today, I will show you how easy it can be to find and cross over discontinued or obsolete TELE timers and monitoring relays and find the appropriate replacements and alternatives. In order to do that, simply type in telecontrols.com and look for the search bar on the right top. To start your search, simply type in the desired obsolete or even new product number in the search pop-up field. In this case, we are looking for a successor product of our D6DM timer relay. Simply hit enter or click on the search bar to activate the search. You will then be prompted to the results overview. If the product has reached the end of life status, you will see an indication on this screen along with the appropriate successors. In order to evaluate the item, we made it as easy as possible for you to access datasheets, even for products that have reached end-of-life status. Should you be curious of the tech details of the successor unit, simply copy or type in the new item number in the search field and explore the item options. By clicking on any product, you will be able to review product photos, applications, and datasheet information to make product transitions as easy as possible. And that's how simple it can be. Should you have any remaining questions, feel free to visit our LinkedIn page, call us, or send us an email to sales@telecontrols.com. Thanks for watching.